And we're back with another knife review. We're doing another CH knife. This one is nameless. It's just called the 1047 G10. This one's in black. I'm going to bring the ruler out today so that you can watch me do it today. We'll start off with overall length is 8.2528, somewhere in that neighborhood. The blade length is 3.5 centimeters. Excuse me, not centimeters, inches. The closed length would be about 4.75. Maybe just a teensy bit longer. The blade material is D2. G10 for the handle, contoured on the top and here, so you can see how it would fit your hand. Left-handed, same deal. It's nice contouring. Jimping on top. You know we love the jimping. Has a pocket clip, standard carry. They say the hardness on this is 59 to 60 on the Rockwell scale. I didn't set a weight on this, but it looks like it's right about 4.5 to 5 ounces. And the blade thickness is right at 4 millimeters. So let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. This knife has a single ball bearing pivot system. Little design here on the pivot cap. We like that. It is very minimalist when it comes to logos. They just have their logo, small logo, right there on the blade. The blade shape kind of reminds me of a Ontario rat a little bit, especially how the grind and polish of the knife. I'm not sure if you can see it on here. I'll try to tilt it a little bit, but you can see the striations, the lines. That's very reminiscent of what you would see on a rat, which is one of my favorite knives. We'll bring some cardboard over, show you how it cuts. We'll start on the front and go all the way down. Not bad. Do a pullback cut. Cuts right through. Put it through. You can see it cuts nicely. Pretty good control on that knife. Not bad. This blade also has stainless steel liners and a spacer. Looks like a G10 spacer. Large lanyard hole. We do like that, especially if you want to put one on there. Can easily be worked one-handed. It's a little difficult for me because I have to turn it facing you, but I'm getting accustomed to it by now. See there, it almost closes up. The screws here are recessed, so there's no rub. The pocket clip ones are not, but that would be difficult. The flipper stud also has jimping on it in this area, so it holds nicely against your finger there. So you can get on it this way or in this manner. Alright, so once again, this is the CH knife 1047 in G10 or black. For those of you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you follow us at Atlantic Knight. We do giveaways, tons of reviews and knife posts daily. If you're watching on YouTube, same deal. We do a weekly show there, Jewel and I, and she seems to think it's funny. I don't really know. But we'd like for you to watch it, or at least take a peek at it. Go ahead and hit that ring the bell and subscribe to our channel. On that note, once again, CH Knife 1047. I'm C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.